It's such a lovely day outside. I freaking love it. Good morning, guys, or good afternoon. I don't even know. But today is a beautiful, beautiful day, and I love it. I enjoy being outside on my lunches, which obviously it's my lunch. And yeah, I'm so... Today is a good day. Today is a good day. I found out that I'm going to have enough days to go to Leakycon and maybe stay a few more extra days. Oh my gosh, how cool. Yeah, I'm excited about that because then I can get my plane tickets so that I can go to Leakycon in Florida, flying to North Carolina, and then driving to Florida and spending time with my family. Going to be so much fun. I can't wait. I cannot wait. I cannot wait. Holy crap. It's Leakycon in Florida in Harry Potter world. I know, right? Right? I know. Oh, I know. I love it. Love it. Love it. So I hope your day is going fantastic, and I'll see you when I get home. Well, it's the weekend. Well, it's almost Friday, so that's very exciting because that means I can do stuff. Video games, played Thief for a little bit. It's a really fun game. It's not my style of game, but it's really good. And yeah, what else did I do? Oh, figured out dates for Leakycon. Now I just need to ask them off so I can buy the tickets with Aunt Shree. So that's happening. Well, I hope that you had a wonderful day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!